Howdy folks, welcome in today. Well, how's you hanging pretty good today. Today, it's Friday, the 7th. I have 2 days left of my vacation, I guess. And why not do it with 7th, where we do have, I finally figured out how to hook these two together. You just put these in the back, I'll show you. You just take this off and then you put it on. So, let me get it. I can try to get it for you folks out there wondering. There we go. It's all hooked up. And how we do it, we attach it like this, and we put it back on like this. This Farmall is from last year's Steam and Gas show in Berryville. This year, I'm planning to get more money so I can get the tractors and stuff. Okay, well, we're gonna start up, fire up the old hit miss engine. Fire her up. Model E hit miss engine pulled by Farmall today. This is a summer, why not we crank it up? For the fall, we'll do one as well. We'll crank it up. We didn't get one in the springtime. We got one in the winter. But this is summer, so late spring, or at least summer, I guess. Spring was already past, so we'll do one for the fall. We'll have one next spring. This winter, we'll crank it up towards the end of winter. Fall will be like September, maybe October, because that's when fall starts. Okay, that's gonna be it, folks. Let me actually show you how she runs with the miss engine in the back. I had to fix her because she keeps falling off, but there we go. Okay, we're gonna watch her run. That's gonna be it, folks. Thank you all so much for watching, and peace out.